looking for our car rental. Not really sure which lot to go to. There's a far lot on the left when you exit the airport. I would stay inside the airport and go as far left as you can go. We did. Yep. And then, yay! It be windy. Why are you fondling it like that?
You're longer than usual.
Ugh.
You're longer than the ones that you can find in California.
Look at this bro cart. You take the long ones, I'll take the back ones. Oh god. Oh god. Dinner of champions. We're not monsters, we're also having vegetables.
Yeah.
I didn't mention this earlier, but Shahan is actually supposed to be with us by now. But one of 2 flights that Shahan was supposed to take was delayed because the plane had to be refueled unexpectedly and there were no other options. So his only other option for the next flight out was to be today at 7 a.m. and he's gonna arrive here around 3 p.m. And so after we last for as long as we physically can at the resort, we're gonna go pick him up at the airport. And the other thing that sucks about Shahan not being here is that he was supposed to bring our ski bag, which has all of our stuff, and I'm gonna rent a board and boots and helmet tomorrow. Anyway, positive spirits. We'll see how we do tomorrow. Gonna go to sleep now. Good night. Bye. Oh, that's better. It was negative 14 when I woke up.
It ran and then the truck just kept driving away. So then I was like, go! Chase him! I should get one of those too though. I grind a lot. Yeah, shoot. Whoa. No. Just in the... I tagged on accident. feel like she does it on purpose. Sometimes I just use it as a sample. Hello. What a loser. All love.
Entering the cold to turn the truck on so that it warms up by the time we get into it. Oh, that scared me. Oh, shoot. Day one done. Day one done. We're so hungry. Okay. I really like for a boy that's like, but it's old school, is Henry. The crew is
That'll
together.
do.
We deserve to eat a lot.
Throwing grapes into each other's mouths, you know?
Oh, he missed!
What the fuck?
Welcome to Tanner. Bow, bow.
Tanner?
Yeah, Mount Tanner. Hi, Steph. I missed you. That's not my stuff. That's my stuff. Thanks. Reunited and it feels so good. Reunited. What is to cry?